wanted to talk about our brand new B8 high strength crankshaft pulley bolt kit for the EA837.
Didn't we already do that?
No, I
guess you go ahead.
I just glossed over it. So a full set for one crank pulley retails for $98. They're in stock, ready to ship. They do include a packet of blue Loctite, which is in the instructions. They're designed to meet the concerns in the market that maybe the factory crankshaft bolts or crank pulley bolts, or the ones we supply or companies like us supply, the standard, grade 12 bolts. This is a stronger, higher metallurgy, higher tensile strength than any of the bolts that you would get as standard with a pulley kit, or like with our pulley kits. I'll be clear, we don't have issues with our standard bolt kits that we supply, but if you're looking for that extra strength, if you're looking for that extra peace of mind, knowing that you have a bolt. Let's list the.
I think it was 270.
Should say on the product page.
270,000.
Yeah. Let's just list that in here so I can talk about it. It's for $98, especially while you're in there. It's a great option. I think we're offering this as an upgrade to our pulley kits as well.
Should be.
So yeah, and these are not ARP bolts. These are manufactured by a aerospace fastener company for us to our specifications. We have sent them to an independent laboratory that tested them, and the tensile strength was literally matched down to the PSI. So these are rated at 220,000 PSI, verified. So yeah, ready to go. If there's something you think you need, you don't need it. But it's one of those peace of mind things. There are other companies selling ARP versions of this on the market. The ARP versions are more expensive. You pay a premium for ARP, even though they're not any better than this. So we chose to not tax you with the brand name, and it's a 034 brand name, but not associated with ARP because it's more expensive for essentially the same thing.